The Galaxy S26 series has been surrounded by mixed signals for months, but the new set of leak specs paint a more encouraging picture. Instead of minor tweaks, the S26, S26 Plus, and the Ultra may finally get camera upgrades fans have been asking for. One of the most biggest rumor changes are the 3x telephoto lens. Samsung has relied on 10 megapixel 1 by 3.52 inch sensor in Ultra model and even smaller 1 by 3.94 inch sensor in non-Ultra model for years, a clear disadvantage compared to rivals. The latest leak claim all S26 models will get a larger 12 megapixel 1 by 2.55 inch sensor for 3x telephoto, which should improve light capture and overall zoom clarity. The Ultra may also step up to a 50 megapixel 3x sensor, though that is not confirmed. The Ultra should get 5400 mAh battery. Assuming Samsung can keep the thickness in check, all three phones will adopt Samsung's newer M14 OLED panels with Quad HD display, 6.3 inches for S26, 6.7 inches for the S26 Plus, and 6.9 inches for the Ultra. The S26 and S26 Plus will also get meaningful camera upgrades. Both may get 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel main camera could use the larger 1 by 1.3 inch sensor, the same size as the S25 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor. Performance will vary between regions due to either Exynos 2600 and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powering the lineup. Even the Ultra may ship with Exynos in some regions. One wildcard remains a slim S26 model with 6.6 inch QHD display, dual 50 megapixel camera paired with an unspecified telephoto lens, a 4300 mAh battery. Its status is unclear. Unlike the cancelled S26 Edge, it wants to avoid any major compromises.